Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own online vision board. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now all you need to do is just to use this easy tool which is Canva. So from Canva we can create as many things as we would like and uh, one of these things are vision board. How to do so? Basically you will need just to create your own account here on Canva by logging in either with your Google account or you can just create an account with your email or phone number. And basically from that you will need just to start creating design and you can have your own whiteboard or vision board however the size you would like it to be or the easiest way and it is to go to the templates and from there you can get many ideas or you can even use already some ready templates and you can customize from them. All you need to do is to search for vision board and then you will need to choose whatever would be suitable for you. So as you can see, those are some vision board and they are in all the sizes. You can see like this one is small and if you want only the free one, you can go to the filters and search for only the free one. And basically you will need just to go here in the price, click on the free and apply the filter and you will find only the free templates to customize on Canva. So basically you will need just to choose any templates that you would like. For example, this one, you click on customize and then it will take you to the editing workspace. And from here, you can start editing all these images, the text, anything that you would like. So just choose anything that will be meaningful for you or any uh, vision board design that you have liked. You click on customize and from here you can start like taking off these pictures. You add your own pictures that would be meaningful, for example, like that. You drag and drop and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.